Hey friends, happy Super Bowl Sunday. I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a few weeks, but we had a clogged drain. We poured some chemicals down the pipe, it melted the drain and went all over the vanity and the floor, and it all had to be replaced, so that took a few days. My dog Lola had to have ear surgery. She had to have her ear canal rerouted because her ear canal was diseased and it wasn't draining properly, and she kept getting a lot of infections and was just really uncomfortable. She's recovering peacefully now. She's on some medication and she's having to wear that awful cone, and I think she's a little mad at us, but we're hoping that the surgery rectifies the issue and that she's feeling much better soon. Lola, you want to say hi to everybody? Lola, hey baby. See, I'm not feeling good right now. We'll go play later. Here's our new vanity and new floor. We're quite pleased with it. For now, I'd like to show you how I clean and organize my spice cabinets.
my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh.